What's the meaning of airspace? Airspace. 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 Airspace.
Airspace refers to the designated portion of the atmosphere, controlled by a particular country and subject to its laws and regulations. It includes the airspace above a nation's land and territorial waters, as well as the international airspace beyond. Airspace is divided into different categories based on its intended use, such as military operations, commercial flights, or private aviation. The effective management of airspace is critical for maintaining safety and efficiency in air transportation, as well as for ensuring national security and sovereignty.